Hey guys, so here I got, this is a yellow solar Barricade light. This is our most popular light. This right here is a box of 5, just to kind of show you what it looks like when it comes in. So part number is TBLSMY, and I'll put along the bottom here a link to where you can purchase and see on our website, more description, photos, all that. So this is what you're gonna get here. Box of 5, let's open it up. See what we got. Let's see. So we got 5 of them neatly packaged in here. And so let me grab one out so we can see everything. And I also want to show you the different parts it comes with. Put this to the side. So we got the security wrench. Basically this is used to secure the bolts that come with it in there. You got the bolts right here. Package of 5, 1 for each light. You can see it right there. Right here is the switch pin that comes with it as well. This is used to switch the light between, going from on to off, or to steady burn, or to flashing. So let's check it out. Here you go. So this is the TBLSMY yellow solar Barricade light. Again, this is our most popular light. Top there is a solar panel. Right in the base, this is the box base, and the base has the bolt holes. So one of the main things to know about this is turning it on and off. I get questions about this all the time. There is a hole right there. You use the switch pin to press it, and you should be able to hear the click. So switch pin right here, that's to turn it between on, off, steady burn, flashing, etc. Now, as far as the mounting, so it's going to come with this bolt here. So what you want to do is you're going to have your traffic safety product is going to have a lip on it, typically with a hole. So you're going to put this right up against that lip, and then this is going to come through the other side. This screws in. You can use your security bolt if you want, or security wrench. Makes it a little easier. So just picture a like a Type 3 Barricade board, etc., sitting right there. And this threads through and is going to secure on the other side. And you can see it's got about, 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch there, thickness. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We do get asked, what is the most popular light? It's this, because there's not much maintenance involved. You don't have to go around turning it on and off. It has a photocell like most lights these days. Also, it's fully solar powered, so there's no need to worry about switching batteries, having a crew go out there, etc. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.